Audrey, and this is a Hatchimal, and I'm gonna open it up. Wow, this is so many Hatchimals. I dumped it on. Okay, here's, and you can, and it's awesome that you can also stack these Hatchimals. They look like Zoom Zooms, but they're not, they're Hatchimals. And look, and here are the other Hatchimals. And here's the other Hatchimal. It fall down, and because I don't know, but it has blue hair. But other Hatchimals don't have it because they're different. These are